Hello po! Nandito na naman po ako magdi-deliver sa inyong araw-araw na mensahe po na galing sa Divine Universe, what they want you to know. Gamitin nyo lang po ito po, yung mensahe po, to help you lift up po sa mood nyo po. Kung malungkot na po kayo, this message is to help you to help you na magiging strong ka talaga po. Magiging resilience ka po sa mga anumang nangyayari na po sa inyo. Okay po? So, this is your message for today. If you think you're alone, you are not. We are beside you in all challenges that you face. Trust that outside sources will always be working with you to ensure the best outcome of every situation. We have your best interest at heart. We love you. See? Iba talaga pag Divine Universe na ang magtulong, no? Kasi they always makahanap ng way in a different way na sa ibang tao ipadaan, no? So, na unexpectedly na may talaga tutulong sa iyo outside of your expectation na malalampasan mo siya. Okay? Si Lord talaga laging naghahanap ng paraan na may tutulong sa iyo to maano ka na matapos masolve yung problema mo. Okay? I hope you enjoy this reading. I hope someone can resonate this reading. And I hope you enjoyed this reading. And I will see you in the next reading. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye for now.